Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to talk about the ñ sound. So, are you ready? Let's get started. So, to reduce the ñ sound in Vietnamese, you have to do two things. First, let's talk about your mouth position. Your mouth should be opened horizontally and like you are smiling a little bit. And secondly, let's talk about the tongue position. To pronounce the ñ sound, your tip of your tongue touches the lower teeth, and the tongue body touches the gum bridge, and your tongue should be tense. Okay, so let's say ñ, ñ, ñ. And remember that the ñ sound is a long sound, so you have to make the ñ sound a little bit longer when you say the word with the ñ sound. Especially when the ñ sound falls at the beginning of the word. Okay, so now let's practice some words with the ñ sound. Nhà, nho, nhỏ, nhẹ, nhanh, nhiều, anh, canh, nho nhỏ, nhanh nhẹn, nhịp nhàng, nhỏ nhắn, thanh mảnh, linh tinh, lanh chanh, anh thành, rất nhanh nhẹn. Now let's say it a little bit faster. Anh thành rất nhanh nhẹn. And now a little bit faster. Anh thành rất nhanh nhẹn. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the textbooks, get the link in the description. Or if you want to make donation from me, so get the information in the description. Thank you for watching.